Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Rob back here with another video, man. And today I got something special for you guys. The Dobe Switch controller. By far my favorite Nintendo Switch controller ever. Yes, I've had the Hori Split Pad Pros. I've used different Joy-Cons. For the price and what you get in the package, this is by far my favorite controller. Now, if you guys have never heard of me, I'm Rob. I like to make casual tech videos. You will be seeing a lot more from me. So if you want to stay tuned in, make sure you subscribe and make sure you like this video, guys. Let's get down into it. All right, guys. So here, as you can see, we just have the box. Nice packaging. Just shows, controller for Nintendo Switch OLED. It does have custom mapping, of course. Of course, all your specs just all over the box. On the top here, we just got controller for Nintendo Switch OLED. Nothing really special. Barcode, of course. On the back is where you have more information, product size, packaging size, and this is the actual bundle model. They do have different, I guess, like sets. They have one where you can just have the controller, get the controller itself, or you can get the complete bundle. And as you can see, fast charger, motor vibration. All right, upon open the packaging, as you can see here, we do have a nice hard shell case. It is water resistant. It is anti-scratch resistant, I believe, as well. It's not, it's not the greatest hard case, but for the price, which is about $50, $57, it is a nice feature, nice addition. All right here, we just have a nice storage compartment area. I put my extra accessories that came with it up in this area, and as you can see right here, we have two kind of like rail accessory inserts. Those are for the regular Nintendo Switch. Next, you do have different I guess like thumbsticks. If you want to switch out your thumbsticks, you get 4 in all, as you can see here. Nice addition. Right here you have a game slot holder, so you can store extra games right there if you need be. And as you can see, it does have a nice little locking mechanism to just hold your, or Velcro strap, I'm sorry, to just hold your Switch in place. Right here we have our red game card case. This is basically extra storage for more games, which is a nice addition. I'm really glad they added that. And also, as you can see, you do have Nintendo your Joy-Con holders. So while you're not using your Joy-Cons, you can just stick them right there in that nice little slot. So that's a great feature they added to the packaging. Alright guys, so at the bottom here, as you can see, this is your USB-C charging port. This is where you would actually hook your Nintendo Switch OLED or regular Switch into the actual controller. And as you can see, when I plug it in, it does take a while sometimes to register, but it does charge. I wouldn't say it's the fastest charging, but it is pretty fast. Right. Here you have, of course, like I said, your adjustable or your removable thumbsticks. You just take them off. That one was a little bit hard for me to put on as opposed to the other one. But you just like your normal Xbox Elite controller or your Elite controllers out there, you just take them off, put them on. They are a little harder, but not that hard. Okay, something I do want to remind you guys, when you do get this controller, you will have to go down here in the settings and make sure your Pro Controller wire communication is on. That way you'll be able to use the controller. If not, it won't work. Alright, here on the back we have our 4 adjustable or mappable buttons, so if you want to change those, you have the option. You also have your bumpers. They're nice, they're responsive, and they feel great. They feel really great in the hands. And also, just looking at the size of the overall controller, it's still pretty thin. It doesn't look bad. Alright guys, here in this clip right here, I'm just testing the gyro controls just to give you an idea of how they work and showing you guys that they do actually work, and they work well. I'm just playing a little bit of Hyrule Warriors Age of Calamity, just to give you a little test demo, a nice idea of what the controller looks like and how it functions with the gyro controls. So for the price, it's a really great deal in my opinion. Alright guys, that pretty much sums this video up. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel, and also please subscribe to my gaming channel. I didn't want to post gameplay on this side of the channel, so I made a separate channel. So I would definitely appreciate it if you guys subscribe to that channel as well. But anyway, I'm Rob, and I'm out.